Welcome to this week's African Grain Market Overview, made possible by Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. Today we turn our focus to Zambia, where the Zambian Food Reserve Agency, or also known as the FRA, has accumulated a record high maize stockpile. We unpack what this means for both the local and export markets, how it could influence price trends over the coming months, and what to expect as we move toward 2026 harvest and the election period. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. The latest grain prices in Lusaka, Zambia traded as follows. Maize on $335 per metric ton, wheat on $550, soybeans on $540, while soy meal traded on $500 per metric ton. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will really help us a lot and won't cost you anything. But with that said, let's hand over to Jacques for this week's update on the African grain markets.
Welcome to this week's podcast, where we will look at the record high Zambia FRA maize stockpile and discuss how this could impact local and export markets and price trends. The Minister of Agriculture, mid-November, indicated the government/FRA purchased 1.6 million tons of maize since July 1, 40% of the crop. Together with carry-in stocks, the FRA currently has 1.8 million tons of stock. Observers guess they will potentially be able to offload 400 to 500,000 tons into the local market before the next crop harvest from April-May 2026, which will leave them with carry-out stocks of 1.3 million tons, an excessive number. At current high prices, profitable exports are not possible. The Lusaka maize price at $335 per ton. The FRA is offering on the Zama's platform at $345 per ton, see the red line, probably close to their cost price, i.e. their buying price plus interest, storage, transport and so forth. To export to Zimbabwe and compete with South African origin in Harare, the Lusaka price must decline to $250 per ton, see the blue line. Question is, where are prices heading from here? With the FRA buying nearly half the crop and offering at a premium above market, price support is inevitable. By sitting on 1.8 million tons of maize, the lion's share of in-country tradable stock, and asking an above market price, the FRA is starving the market of supply and forcing the market price to their selling price. Our contacts believe the Lusaka price will reach $345 per ton by the second half of December. The big question is where prices will move next year between January and August, the election month. Will government endeavour to keep prices high, supporting farmers and try to recoup as much as possible of their costs, or will they subsidise to millers to lower maize meal prices for the consumer close to the elections? Wholesale maize meal prices currently at 280 kwacha per 25 kg bag or $485 per ton, but expected to breach the 300 kwacha per 25 kg bag or $520 per ton level by the end of December. In the past, this level triggered government to start subsidizing maize to keep maize meal prices under control. Let's look at our 2025-26 Zambia maize S&D forecast, a period running from May 2025 to April 2026. Scenario 1 is the forecast we have used up to this point. However, given current high maize prices, despite the record crop, we believe our export projections are most likely too high, and in Scenario 2 we have made the necessary adjustments. We believe the maize meal export projection of 350,000 tons, what government will allow, and included in our 2.9 million ton local consumption/milling number in scenario 1 should be halved. Therefore, we lowered our consumption/milling forecast to 2.7 million tons. Up to this point, we estimated formal and informal maize exports at around 600,000 tons. The recent high maize prices have seen exports all but stop, and therefore, we lowered our estimate to around 300,000 tons. Our new ending stock estimate at 1.3 million tons. And guess, all of it will belong to the FRA. There is speculation if 2026-27 produces another average to above average crop, it could see prices under real pressure second half 2026. Planting and early growing conditions for this crop are favourable. Somebody made a tongue-in-cheek comment. Could see $200 per ton by September next year if another above average crop is harvested. Next week, we will look at the Africa regional maize balance sheet, where mostly healthy crops were harvested in 2025 and the outlook for 2026 also promising at this stage. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thanks, Jock. Insightful as usual. This episode was made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel or contact us directly for more detailed market reports on the African soft commodity markets. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe, and thanks for tuning in.